Your hands are how you touch the world. Everything you build, everything you hold, everything you release passes through them. But most people never stop to ask themselves a simple question: are all the parts of my body still awake? So I slow down and check, one finger at a time. The band pulls the hand open and I close the fist against it, then release. 10 reps. Then I move to the next finger, because strength is not just about lifting weight, it's about awareness. Every small tendon in your hands connects to your forearms, your shoulders, your mind. And when you wake up the small parts of yourself, you wake up the whole system. Pay attention to your body. It has been speaking to you your entire life.